guys, welcome to MyAirbags. I'm Eli, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the airbag module on this Chevy Sonic. On the Chevy Sonic, these are the tools that you're going to need. I have my power drill, flashlight, socket wrench with a 7 and 10 millimeter, and a Phillips head. Now, anytime we're working with the airbag system, whether it's the module, the seatbelt, or the actual airbag, we want to disconnect the battery first. Now, if you come a little closer, I'm going to use a 10 millimeter socket right here to go ahead and take up the negative. It's a little loosened up. Make sure you put it completely out of the way. Positive. Just loosen it up. We're going to wiggle it back and forth. We're going to put it completely to the side so there's no chance of it coming back and making contact with the power. That's really important. So we can even put something right on top that's not non-conductive. Now let's go back in the car. Now before we move on to the next step, I want to address an important question I get asked all the time. Why do I need to remove the airbag module? The module controls the airbag system. Anytime the car gets into an accident, the module will need to be replaced. You can also get that reset. That's something that we've been doing here at MyAirbags since 2006. We've been resetting the modules back to its original condition so you can safely reuse your original module that comes out of your own car. We also reset the seatbelts as well. We rebuild seatbelts. A lot of customers send in the module and seatbelts in together, and we can reset it, rebuild it, and send it back out within 24 hours. We're going to go ahead and move the two front seatbelts back, all the way back. This side as well. I have my handbrake up. I have my battery disconnected. I'm going to start on the next step. I'm going to come down here. I'm using a Phillips head right here, Phillips bits. You can use a Phillips screwdriver. All you're going to do is come down here, and if you can see, I'm going to remove this plastic fastener. It just pops right out like that, and the rest of it is right here. You can use your fingers or a little flathead to remove it. This is what it looks like. When you go to put it back in, you want to put this piece in first, and then go ahead and screw that in, or just pop it back in like that. Let's go ahead and start removing that part right there. You're going to hear a few pops. That's just the plastic tabs holding it. It's not a big deal, nothing breaking. Just go ahead and start prying it from the bottom up. 3 pops, that was the third. This is what it looks like. Got 3 tabs on this side that was holding it, the screw, and then also a slider piece in here that slides in. The module is located right there. There's the module right there. You can identify it by these yellow plugs. Those are the 2 plugs that we'll go ahead and disconnect in a little bit. Before we remove the plugs, let's go to the other side and remove that panel. On the passenger side, we're going to go ahead and remove this panel right here. You want to start from the bottom to move up that Velcro that's hitting the bottom rug there. Get underneath there and start pulling it towards you, and you hear some pops. Same thing with this side, 3 tabs with a slider. No screw on this side, however. There we have the module again. You could technically remove the module on one side. I recommend removing the 2 panels because they're so easy to remove. And there's 1 nut right there that you want to remove. There's 2 more up in front. Back on the driver's side, I'm going to go ahead and start removing the plugs here. The plugs are held on by a little system here. These red tabs here, you just want to pull down away, that will release the lever, and the lever will release the plug. There's one. Same thing on this side. Pull away on the red tab. That will release the lever. Pull the lever down, and that will unplug. I'm going to pull these to the side. I have two nuts here on the front. I'm going to use a 10mm socket. Doesn't matter which one you use, whether a small one. I'm just going to use a bigger one with an extender, and that will allow me to get in there a little easier. Hey guys, it's really important to mention that the battery has already been disconnected at this point before I even unplug the module. That's really important. The reason that's so important is because the way the module is designed, it's designed to sit really flat on the frame of the vehicle, just like you see now. The reason for that is because if it's powered up, if the module senses any movement that it's not designed to feel when it's in the car. So if it's powered up and you're moving it around when it's unbolted, the module is going to think that the whole car is rolling over or moving in a way that's not safe. It will deploy the airbags, seat belts, and other components. You want to make sure the power is completely disconnected to the car. There's no way for the airbags to deploy at this point. Okay, so here we have the 3 nuts that were holding the module down, and I use a 10mm for that. Doesn't matter which one you use, I just prefer the extender on this one. I'm going to go ahead and remove the module. And I'm actually going to remove it from the passenger side. It'll come up, slide up, and easily removes on the passenger side. Here's the module. It's a black plastic box that looks just like this. The part number is going to be right on it. It's going to be an 8-digit number. The 4 digits will be a little smaller and the last 4 will be a little bigger. Now, if the car was in an accident, the dealership will tell you this module has to be replaced. Here at MyAirbags, we offer an alternative to that. It's called a reset, and we can reset this module back to its original form. They usually cost a couple $100 at the dealership. The reset here at MyAirbags is going to cost you anywhere from $49 to around $69. On this specific model, it's $49. MyAirbags.com, click on services, and you'll see the module reset. Simply put your order in, send the module in. You can also send in your seatbelts. The seatbelts do deploy as well after an accident. The seatbelt usually comes in 2 forms. A single stage seatbelt, meaning it has 1 plug, or a dual stage seatbelt, meaning it has 2 plugs. And the plugs are right in the panel, right on the pretensioner. We have videos on that. There will be a yellow or orange plug that connects the actual pretensioner unit. Check out our other videos on that and how to remove it and how to identify whether it's 1 or 2 or even triple stages. Now, most of our customers will send in the module along with the seat belts. That way we can actually reset the module, do both of the front 2 seat belts together. It comes in a bundle. It's cheaper that way, and you save on shipping as well. Hey guys, if you're sitting there with a question in mind, go to myairbags.com and click on help. On there you can type in a keyword or a question, and most likely the right answer will pop up right for you. If it doesn't, we're always here on the phones. You can email us, chat with us, or you can even just text us. We're always here to help you, MyAirbags.com. Now's the time to give us a big like, subscribe to our channel. We have more videos just like this. Comment. I really enjoy reading your comments. This is Eli with MyAirbags.com. Save time and money on your next project.